Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to install Iris shaders for Minecraft 1.216, also known as the Chase the Skies update. This step-by-step guide will help you get that smooth lighting, epic shadows, and overall beautiful visuals in Minecraft. Let's jump right in. First, launch the Minecraft launcher. From the drop-down next to the play button, select version 1.2.1.6. If you don't see this version, make sure your launcher is fully updated. Click play and let the game load so we know everything works correctly before adding anything. Next, we need to download the Iris shader loader. Head over to the official Iris website or go to modrin.com. Look for the Iris installer that supports Minecraft 1.216 and download the .jar file. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Now it's time to get your shader pack. Back to Modrinth and look in the shaders category. Some of the most popular shader packs include Complementary shaders, BSL shaders, and Sildur's vibrant shaders. Make sure whatever you download is compatible with Iris and version 1.2.1.6. The file should be a .zip. Don't unzip it. .2 Run the Iris installer. You'll need Java. If you already have it installed, you can skip this step. If not, download Java 21 from the official Oracle website and follow the installation steps based on your system. This ensures that the .jar files work properly. If you double-click the jar file and it doesn't open, or it opens with the wrong app, who may need a quick fix. Download JarFix from Johan Lofman's website, run it, and it will reset the file association, so .jar files open with Java again. Now let's install the Iris shader loader. Double-click the Iris installer you downloaded earlier. When the installer opens, choose Minecraft 1.216 from the drop-down and click Install. This will create a new profile inside your Minecraft launcher. Once the installation is complete, reopen the Minecraft launcher. In the version drop-down, look for the new Iris profile and click Play. This launches Minecraft with shader support enabled. Once you're in the game, go to Options, then Video Settings, and click on Shader Packs. Now hit Open Shader Pack folder. Take the shader pack you downloaded earlier and drag it into that folder. Go back to Minecraft. Select the shader pack from the list and click Apply. That's it. Your Minecraft world now has dynamic lighting, better water reflections, and beautiful visual enhancements. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tutorials. Enjoy your upgraded Minecraft experience, and I'll see you in the next one.